Hey everybody, Leslie here. We're going to talk about there is no need to apply for a different position other than the one or ones that you really want or need in the legal workplace, okay? For instance, and I call it downsizing because it's not really the job you want. You don't want the job of the file clerk. You don't usually, I'm not saying never, but you don't usually get put in a paralegal position from the file clerk position. You don't get put in a paralegal position normally from a receptionist position, even though the file clerk is highly skilled and the receptionist is highly skilled. Okay, I've been both, but that was in addition to my paralegal duties, okay? But not all by themselves, because that is a hard transition for the attorney to make in his or her mind, that you will be able to do all these things. So don't put yourself in that box. Stay with your dream, but that dream may have to shift a little bit. You may have to apply for legal secretarial jobs. You may have to apply for legal assistant jobs, and then also entry-level paralegal jobs. That's what you would be, highly considered for. Not very experienced paralegal jobs if they need 3 to 10 years experience. Don't waste your time with that. But don't let your dream go. Okay, there's no need for that. The file clerk position and the receptionist position is not always a foot in the door. It's rarely a foot in the door. So don't go that route. Okay, now make sure that you go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, because this will be a game changer for you when you get the playbook under Paralegal Resource Hub. Get the playbook, but also look around the hub. Don't neglect that. That's so important for you. And then look under, while you're on the website, look under all the tabs. This whole website is for beginners, the entire website. It's not for veteran paralegals. Look under courses. Look under Paralegal Inner Circle class. That's my main class. And then there's a class under courses called Cover Letter Secrets. There is a special bundle price for those two classes under courses. You'll see it right there when you look under the tab. Be sure that if you're going to take both classes, that you read the descriptions under the classes themselves, but then get the bundle price, okay? You can take them separately too. No problem with that. Look under bar charts tab. All of it is for you. So any questions, comments, let me know. Have a great day.